All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Padlet, which is a browser-based or web-based application for teaching or learning in your classroom with your students. It's a fantastic free application that you can use for a variety of things, workshops, a way to submit assignments, many creative ways to use it in your class with your students and in groups. So basically, you're going to go to Padlet.com and sign up. It's free. You can use your email and a password, and it's a pretty safe and secure application. I wouldn't hesitate to use it. And you would sign up and make an account. I've already got an account, so I'm just going to jump over to another tab where I'm already logged in. You can see once you've created your account and you've logged in, you'll see your information here. And you'll see your name here so you know you're logged in. The options across the top, you can make a Padlet or you can join a Padlet. Now, a Padlet is really just a canvas, an opportunity to have a place where on the web via your browser, you can add content and create a canvas of content, posts of whatever you want. You can also collaborate within it, share it with other people in Padlet that have Padlet accounts, and you can use it with your groups to make a group assignment or have a collaboration space for an entire class where everyone can contribute their images, comments, posts, statements, videos, clips, all kinds of things that they can share and contribute to a collaborative group space for a whole class in, say, a workshop or a sharing time in class. So let's create a new Padlet. Now you'll notice when you say create new, there's a variety of options. I often just use the wall, but there's a variety of options, and you can see what each one specializes in as far as the way it lays out and its style and approach. A wall is the most basic, but probably one of the most useful ones. There we go. Now we're going to give it, let's call it Workshop 1, because it's going to be used for a little workshop session in a class, let's say. And you can put a description if you want, instructions or whatever you want into the description section. Okay, I'm going to quickly change the wallpaper to something more plain and basic. There we go. And you'll also notice there's a variety of other settings here which you can go through on your own. But one of the things you'll notice is right away you can copy to clipboard a unique link to this Padlet. Okay, and you can get this later on, but we'll copy this for now. And then you just say next. And you're ready to go to start putting little posts on here. Now, what about safety and security? I'm sure right away you're wondering who can see it, how, why, where, what. Well, by default, when you go into share, you'll see that the default for privacy settings, so I went into the share tab and under change privacy, you'll see that it's set to secret, not public. Unless you want public, don't choose public, choose secret. It's better for student security and privacy. And it is secret. But if you share that link, that copy to clipboard link that you saw, anyone who has the link will be able to have the level of visitor permissions that you give them. By default here, I've got it to write. You don't want edit. That means a student could delete another student's post. But can write gives them equal rights to add content to the Padlet you've created. So the settings are secret and visitor permissions can write for what we're talking about. You can change these based on what and how you want to use Padlet for. Okay, so there we go. Now, also in here is where you can copy the link if you didn't copy it at the beginning. So you can get this at any time. You can also get QR codes, which is really cool. You can embed it into a website. Many, many options. So let's just copy the link again. And at this point, if I wanted to share something, I can simply use the plus down here or double click anywhere, and then I can add a post. A post can be simply text if you want it to be, or it can be the uploading of files. Okay, any file you want to upload and share, any shareable file format that you can upload. Okay, you can share a link to a URL. You can search with this other tab, and you can share actual photos or videos from your actual camera, so you can share stuff from your webcam. Okay, it's probably not going to pop up right now because I think my webcam is being used by another software, but you could see your webcam there, and students could record still snaps or photos or videos from their webcam, so like live posting of a video from your webcam. And with the ellipse, the three dots here, there's many other things: upload files, links, taking photos, capturing video, voice recording, screen, recording your screen, so screen captures, which is great. You can draw or doodle directly on the canvas, which is kind of cool. If you want to just do a doodle, you can do that. Many ways to your students can express themselves and put content in here, share, collaborate, whatever. Where it gets really cool is when multiple people can view and share on this one Padlet together. So keep in mind, you could have each student create their own Padlet and share that link with you for you to critique or to evaluate their project. So it's a way that a student can individually each create their own Padlet and submit it to you for marking. That said, obviously your actual marks should stay in a secure LMS like Moodle, but this is where they could submit interesting projects like art projects, video and audio projects, a variety of type of projects that could be in Padlet. But as far as using it for a workshop for groups or the entire class to collaborate in one Canvas space, you want to share that link that we copied. Remember, we went to share and we said copy link. So at this point, you can simply put this link into your Moodle class. If you take the link, and I'll copy the link into a tab here, there's the link. It's a Padlet, Gpretty, and then a very obscure, very private, can't stumble on it, sort of private looking random generated link. Okay. If you click on that, boom, it goes right to that same Padlet. Okay. And all you have to do is share that link with your students, and then they can go in and work on this Padlet together. Okay, they really will have to make their own Padlet account as well, but it's very secure and there's no concerns about signing up for Padlet. So sharing that link would then allow the students to all submit to the same canvas and view each other's work. So it's a space to collaborate in together or use it for a workshop in class. Okay, so that's kind of how Padlet works, and all you'd have to do then is to take this link that you've copied and post it into your LMS, into your learning management system, like Moodle, and put it in there as here's the Padlet link to work on for our workshop session or what have you. Okay, so that's how you use Padlet, both as a teacher or as a student, for learning and and collaborating.